Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Black pepper is considered to be the queen of seasonings due to its outstanding taste and international popularity. This seasoning's virtues have to do with a substance called piperine, an active ingredient with many health benefits that helps your body to absorb certain substances. Black pepper has not only been used to cook with, but also in home remedy recipes for a long time. In today's video, we're going to tell you about some of black pepper's health benefits. It burns fat. Black pepper is great for anyone looking to lose weight, since studies have shown that it improves your metabolism and inhibits adipose cell growth. If you're on a diet to lose weight, black pepper could be a very helpful addition. It improves digestion. Black pepper aids in digestion due to the piperine, which stimulates the gastric fluids. It can be both added to your food and ingested in a tea form. It reduces flatulence. Black pepper helps lessen bloating and absorb intestinal gases, which can bring relief to anyone with meteorism and abdominal swelling. It's an aphrodisiac. Black pepper consumption increases sweating, heart rate, and blood circulation, just like the reactions produced through sexual relations. Furthermore, its ingestion can cause an irritation in your genitals and urinary area, similar to the feeling obtained through sexual excitement, and is known as a natural aphrodisiac. It improves nutrient absorption. The piperine present in black pepper helps your body to absorb some of the nutrients found in certain foods. For example, curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, and also where turmeric gets all of its health benefits. Studies have shown that the combination of black pepper and turmeric increases the bioavailability of curcumin up to 2,000%. It's rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants present in black pepper can prevent and repair the damage caused by free radicals and help prevent some types of cancer, heart problems, and liver diseases. It helps you eat less salt. Eating too much salt can increase your blood pressure, cause liquid retention, and even kidney problems. When you use pepper along with other spices, you don't need to use as much salt. It relieves pain. Due to its analgesic properties, you can use black pepper to relieve muscular and joint pain. In order to obtain relief, mix black pepper and almond essential oil and use the mixture to massage the affected area. It's a natural antidepressant. Black pepper is considered to be an excellent natural antidepressant. The piperine present in black pepper acts as an antidepressant and stimulates the nervous system. As a result of this, your cognitive ability is improved. The best way to benefit from all of its properties is by using freshly cracked pepper grounds, since they contain all of the nutritional compounds. Sprinkling a little black pepper on your food every day is enough to obtain its health benefits. If consumed excessively, it can irritate your mucous membranes, especially if you are sensitive. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.